Hey everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are well. And today I'm going to make a very interesting video of you for you guys. And I changed my backgrounds in order to making a videos. Only because of my background is not that much well, and I don't know how to make it quite good. And so that's why I completely changed my backgrounds. Even though my laptop's camera is not that much well as well. So through this video, I'm going to tell you some things that definitely will going to help you a lot about your English journey in order to improve your English journey. Okay, so let me tell you something how you can keep motivating yourselves. So many people trying to learn English language and after a few days they gave up. Why these things happening to so many people? I want to tell you a very interesting story about myself. We started learning a couple of friends together, but after a few days my friends told me I don't have enough time because I am so much busy about my study. I so much busy because of my work, because of my class, and because of my university and college and so many more things, but I don't have enough time to practice my English language. My another friends told me that I am already advanced in English language, even though he's not that much advanced, but he can speak a little bit using English language. He understand all of those things. He can read carefully about English language without making any mistakes. So these kind of people think they are already advanced in English language, and this is not my friend's problem. This is problems. Um, I would say most probably all the people around the world who is not from native English speaking countries. They can understand, they can read, and their comprehension about English language is quite good, but they cannot speak at all because of they never ever tried to speak in front of the peoples because of their scared a lot about English language. They are afraid a lot about English language as well, and they feel a little bit shy to speak in front of the peoples because might be they are going to make lots of mistakes because so many people don't know that behind every mistakes there is a hidden success. If you don't mistakes, if you don't make any mistakes, where is the opportunity to learn it, to fix your problem and to become advanced about it. So I would say make mistakes and learn some things each and every day. Don't be afraid at all to talk in front of the people, to practice your English language in front of the camera. Don't forget to record yourself and watch it over and over again, and you might appear while you're making mistakes, and try to fix this problem, trying to figure out how you can make it advance and how you can use this sentence further your communications. And through that process you can enhance your English fluency, and through that process you can enhance your speaking part as well. So thank you very much, and this is my just a checking video. I checked my OBS studio how this is works.